Hi, my name's Ian and welcome to the channel. I wasn't sure whether to put this video out or not, but then I decided to encourage smaller YouTube channels like myself not to give up with regards to views and also subscribers, etc. Now, I've been running my channel now for just over 6 years and put out virtually 200 videos before hitting 1,000 subscribers. Now, I seem to realise that some of the content that I've been putting out is probably not suitable for some people, and then other content is, and it seems with my channel that the mechanical repair type of videos that I put out are the ones that people tend to watch, whereas the videos that I really like producing and making are holiday videos, where we go away in our camper van and do trips to fantastic places. Like last year we went to the Faroe Islands and to Iceland, and we've just had a trip down into Spain and into France. And when you spend probably best part of, including actually filming the videos themselves, you can be spending sort of 6 to 8 hours, including editing, etc., for then to get 12 views is quite disheartening. And yet a video that you throw together in about 3 minutes all of a sudden gets 10,000 views over a period of time. It's quite weird, but as I said, it's one of these things where you just don't give up. I have thought about it a few times that should I just pack it up, but the thing is that I actually enjoy the actual process of making the videos, going out there filming stuff, the editing side of things, putting it all together, and having something as an end result to then put up onto YouTube for some people to watch. And as I said, it's just one of these things that just don't be disheartened if your channel is struggling. As I said, it's taken me 6 years just to get to 1,000 subscribers, but I'm not about to give up. But what I may end up doing now is sort of changing the videos that I put out, and maybe not put out the travel videos so much as what I have been. I mean, as I said, we've just been away for 3 months, and literally I've been putting out a video a video a week since we've been away. And as I said, when you get in 12, 20, maybe 30 views at the very, very most on a video that's taking you hours to produce, it's quite disheartening, as I said. But as I said, don't give up. And but if you've got any questions or any suggestions with regards to how I could probably get more views, which would actually be fantastic. And this sort of, as I said, it's just a little short video, and we'll leave it at that. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and be great if you could like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Cheers.